What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today our topic is all about how to send TON from a Telegram wallet to Binance. So let's begin by opening the Telegram app. In the Telegram app, tap the three bars located at the top left of the screen. From here, tap Wallet tab below My Profile tab. In the Wallet tab, tap TON space beta. In the TON space beta, tap the Send tab. In the Send tab, there are two choices on how to send. Since we're here to send TON to Binance, tap on External Wallet. Here it will ask for the address, so let's go to the Binance app. In the Binance app, tap the Wallet tab at the bottom right of the screen. In the Wallet tab, tap the Spot tab at the top of the screen beside the Funding tab. In the Spot tab, tap on Deposit tab. In the Deposit tab, tap on TON, or you can search it in the search bar and type TON. After you find TON, tap on it. A pop-up notification will appear, so let's tap TON coin. The address will appear, and it's up to you if you want to scan a QR code or just copy the address by tapping the copy icon in the address section. Now let's go back to the Telegram app and paste the address. After that, tap continue. From here, enter the amount you want to send. After entering the amount, tap continue. The app needs a memo, so let's go back to the Binance app. And the Binance app, tap on the copy icon and a TON memo section, or you can scan via QR code if you want to. Now let's go back to the Telegram app. While we are in the Telegram app, paste the TON memo, and now just confirm and send, and your TON has been sent. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.